1. Complete Ielts listening mock test module, just one section, including the 10 questions and answers. Ielts listening. Section 1 mock test with questions and answers. Context. A man is calling a gym to inquire about membership options. Section 1. Receptionist. Good morning, Fit Zone Gym. How can I help you? Caller. Hi. I'm interested in joining the gym, but I'd like to ask a few questions first. Receptionist. Sure. I'll need to take some basic details for our system. May I have your full name? Caller. Yes, it's Daniel Brooks. That's Brooks. Receptionist. Great. Thanks. And your contact number? Caller. It's 07986 532 014. Receptionist. Okay. Now, are you looking for an individual membership or family one? Caller. Just individual, please. Receptionist. And would you prefer a monthly or annual plan? Caller. I think I'll go with the annual one. Receptionist. That's £280 a year. It includes unlimited access to all facilities and classes. Caller. Sounds good. Is there a joining fee? Receptionist. There's normally a £20 fee, but we're waiving it for sign-ups this week. Caller. Oh, that's great. What are your opening hours? Receptionist. We're open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Monday through Saturday. On Sundays, we open at 8 a.m. and close at 6 p.m. Caller. That works well for me. Do you offer personal training sessions? Receptionist. Yes, we do. They're not included in the basic membership, but you can book them separately. Caller. Perfect. I'll come in tomorrow to register. Questions 1 to 10. Complete the form below. Write one word and or a number for each answer. Fit Zone Gym new member form. 1. Full name. 2. Contact number. 3. Membership type. 4. Duration. 5. Cost per year, pound. 6. Joining fee. 7. Special offer. Joining fee is 8. Included. Unlimited use of facilities and 9. Opening hours. Monday through Saturday from 2. 10. Extra service offered. Sessions. Answer key. 1. Daniel Brooks. 2. 07986 532 014. 3. Individual. 4. Annual. 5. 280. 6. £20. 7. Waived. 8. Classes. 9. 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. 10. Personal training.